We have a customer that builds a product that is very specific for each customer. So all of the parts in this product are unique. They needed the ability to quickly and accurately generate NC programs to machine these parts. We developed a number of automated processes to help generate the NC programs to machine a lot of the parts in this product. I would like to just focus on one of those in this demonstration. So here you can see I've executed Creo. I'm going to go ahead and select an environment. This interface is something we've developed that you can fully configure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the machine tool and the type of product I would like to work on. It will open up a dedicated Creo NC model for that product. The reason we went this route is the customer may receive information about the part size and geometry definitions. Could be on a piece of paper, it may come in a drawing, it could come in an email, so the form that we're going to be receiving the information is unknown. So the interface that we've developed allows them to input the information quickly. I'm going to go ahead and select the tool manager. Here the customer can input all of the valid tools they would like to use to machine these products. The automated process will go through, evaluate the tools and the geometry, and use larger tools for roughing and work its way down as needed. Here we have some of the finishing tools and some of the other finishing tools. So they can easily modify the tool list. Now to input information about the part they would like to machine, they will select this icon. This is an interface that we've developed that will allow them to input all of the geometry definitions for the part. The lower part is how they would like to machine it. I do want to point out that once they input a program number, specify the information for the part and how they would like to machine it, it stores it in a data file that can be retrieved at a later date. So if I wanted to come down here and pull up an existing model that I'd done before, I can select on the part number, hit OK, and the model updates. Now the part we're going to focus on machining today is this one right here. So I'll input all the information at the top here about how the part's held in the machine, the geometry definition, here's the part number, and how we'd like to machine it, and hit OK. And you see on the screen that the part flexes based on the new information. Now to generate the NC program, all we have to do is select this icon at the upper left-hand corner. The automated process will calculate all of the tool motion, very specific on how the customer wants to machine it, and run it through the post-processor. I can hit resume here. This is an interface that we've developed that allows all of our users to view, look at the NC program, transfer it to a predefined, maybe a D&C location to store the NC program. So I'll pull up the program itself, just kind of scroll down, but this was all generated to machine the part very quickly, and it actually is very unique machining process that the customer liked to use. So I hit transfer. It's now in the D&C directory, ready for them to download and machine.